Let's be real, you didn't start your business to spend all day writing captions, replying to DMs, and refreshing your insights. But somehow, managing social media is your part-time job now. Maybe you've thought, I'm not cut out for this part of the job, or I need to hire someone to help me keep up. The truth is, you don't need a big team. What you need is to set up a few simple automated systems that save you time and make you money. Now, I get it. You might be thinking that automation sounds a little too robot-y. Totally fair. But when automation is set up the right way, it actually makes your content more personal. It clears out all of those repetitive tasks so that you can show up for the real conversations and human moments that matter. So in this video, I'm walking you through what a fully automated, but still totally you, Instagram strategy looks like and exactly how to set it up in just 5 days. Everything I'm sharing comes from HubSpot's free social media automation checklist. It's the exact roadmap that I use to build this system for myself. I've linked it in the description for you. It is totally free, and you can reference it while you set up your strategy. Now, let's start by visualizing where you're headed. Imagine this. Your Instagram post goes out automatically while you're making your morning coffee. Someone comments on that post with a question you get asked all the time, like, how much does it cost to work with you? Instagram then automatically sends them a message that you wrote that answers their question and redirects them to the next step. So booking a time with you, downloading your lead magnet. They follow the flow and they book a time or download your offer, and their contact info gets added to your email list. A follow-up email goes out automatically, welcoming them and pushing them to the next part of your sales funnel. Whether that's a different offer, booking a time, browsing products. Sounds pretty sweet, right? Now, if you're still on the fence, let me reframe what automation really means. It's about saving time so you can focus on the parts of Instagram that you actually enjoy. It's about making it easier to talk to the right people, not just more people. And it's about using AI to help you, not replace you. And the best part? You do not need to be tech savvy or spend hours setting it up. Let's break it all down in a simple 5-day plan. Day 1. Build your automation foundation. Today's goal is to figure out what's stealing your time and what you can automate. Grab a notebook, open a blank Notion page, and write down everything you do for Instagram every week and how much time it takes. So things like posting content, writing captions, answering DMs, replying to comments, analytics reports, sharing offers and links, you get it. You're probably gonna notice 3 things sucking up most of your energy: content creation, conversation, so interacting with comments and DMs, and conversion, aka turning those likes into leads. Don't worry, we're about to automate all 3. Day 2, automate content creation. Your goal today is to create valuable, educational, relevant content. I'm going to show you 2 ways to automate this. The first way is by following the trends and staying timely and relevant. You're going to set up a Google alert to surface relevant industry content or trending topics. You can get emails when new results for a topic show up. For example, you can get info about news, products, or mentions of your name or business. This way, you can create timely content that resonates with your audience. The second way is to repurpose your greatest hits and make them work overtime. Choose one of your top performing pieces of content, a blog post, a YouTube video, a newsletter. Then turn that one piece into a full week of Instagram content using AI tools. To repurpose a blog post, use HubSpot's Clip Creator to turn it into short, snackable videos. Select Generate with AI, add your blog title here, add your blog content here, select your tone, and you'll have a video generated for you in seconds. You can play around with the video to make it fit your style. To repurpose a YouTube video, use Opus Clip. You just drop your video link in here, and it'll pull out and format the most shareable clips. If you're repurposing a newsletter or an article, drop it into ChatGPT and say, turn this into 3 Instagram captions, a carousel outline, and a reel script. If you're already using Canva, you can also try Magic Write right inside of your designs. And tools like Jasper or Copy.ai are great for punching up your tone and finding new ways to say the same thing. This is how you stop creating from scratch and start creating with strategy. Day 3, automate posting. Your goal today is to batch schedule your content. HubSpot's social media scheduler makes scheduling super easy. Or you might already be using another platform like Later, Buffer, Metricool. You can also do this natively on the Instagram app. Choose a social media scheduler that works for you and schedule out all of your posts that you created the day before. Most of these social media schedulers have AI caption tools to help make captioning 10 times easier. But don't post quite yet, because I'm going to show you how to automate lead generation and conversion from these posts. Day 4, automate engagement. Your goal today is to automate high volume DMs and frequently asked questions. Let's say someone comments, "What's the price to work with you?" on your post, and you want to send them an automatic message. Or maybe in the caption of your post that you created in day 2, you're going to add the call to action, comment guide, and I'll send you a link to the full downloadable guide. To do that, we're going to use a tool called ManyChat. You would set up a simple automation using ManyChat's auto DM links from comments. Choose a specific post or apply it universally, set a trigger word like guide or link, and write your auto DM with your response and keep your tone personal. Here's one tip that I use to make sure that they sound like me. Go through your last 10 DMs or comments and copy and paste how you already reply into your autoresponder. That way, automation sounds just like you because it is you. Bonus move, include a link to your services page, your lead magnet, or your booking link to move them into the next stage of your funnel. We'll talk about that in day 5. And what if your DMs are full of the same reoccurring questions? Use Instagram's built-in frequently asked questions feature. Go to Creator Tools, Frequently Asked Questions, add up to 4 common questions with your answers. Now you're not just responding faster, you're giving people what they need without lifting a finger. Make sure to add your relevant call to actions in your upcoming content's captions, whether that be to comment a specific word, send a DM, go to the link in your bio, whatever. Day 5, automate conversion. Today's goal is to put it all together and turn that attention into actual revenue. Here's the simple funnel. A promotional Instagram post goes out. This is your attention grabber. You're using a strong hook to promote a free resource or a booking link, and bonus points if it ties into something trending. When someone comments, your automation tool, like ManyChat, instantly sends them a direct message with your freebie link or offer. They grab your freebie and they're now warmed up and one step deeper into your funnel. Now, what happens after that? What we want to set up next is this flow. When someone grabs your freebie, their contact info should automatically get added to your email list and tagged inside your customer relationships management tool, something like HubSpot. This way, you can keep track of who they are and what they're interested in. Next, they get an automatic email from you. You only have to write it once, and it thanks them for signing up, delivers a little extra value, and guides them towards the next step, like booking a call or checking out your services. If you want help building out this next part to connect your Instagram to your email strategy, I'm going to link my marketing automation video in the description and at the end of this video. I'll walk you through a simple 2-week automation plan to help build your email list, follow up with leads, and actually convert them while you sleep. You now have a 5-day plan to automate content, automate conversations, and automate conversion without losing your personality or spending 6 hours a day on Instagram. If you want all of this in checklist form, then make sure to download the free HubSpot social media automation checklist. It's what I use to map out this whole video, and it gives you even more tips to keep building. So if you ever thought automation was too techy or too impersonal, I hope this showed you that it's actually how you get more personal, by freeing yourself up to show up fully when it matters the most. If you liked this video, I'd love to know it, so make sure to hit the thumbs up button. And if you want to hang out again, I'll be here every week helping you make your marketing less overwhelming and more efficient. I will link my marketing automation video at the end of this one for you to watch next and complete your funnel. Thanks so much for hanging out with me. My name is Bridget O'Rourke. Feel free to connect with me online, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.